Is this worth 47 euros? Let's check it out. This comes separately. You have to buy this separately and this. So it's just a spring, as you can see, with the rubber on the top, rubber on the bottom, and I don't know what is the reason rubber in the middle, but better have it than not to have it. So we'll screw this in and use this as a fit for our external air conditioning unit. See, I built this box and basically transfer the vibration to the whole thing. So I'm hoping that will stop at the same time. It will make much quieter. So let's see if the 47 euro investment is worth or not. So you know. At the moment what we've got here, I'll show you. Just the normal legs standing on top of the plywood, and we're gonna change for this bouncy thing. So let's switch the air conditioner on and see how much noise produces and see if we can hear any difference. So I'm standing on the front of it now. Let's go on the side. It's not terribly noisy. I can feel slight, very slight vibration. But altogether, noise over there, it adds up. So I'm hoping with this fits, you can reduce some of the noise. I'm speeding up. But as you can hear, there is a bit of noise. So let's see if it's gonna make any difference when you're gonna change the legs, which is very simple to do. You're just gonna unscrew this and just swap it. See, already it's bouncing a bit, just on one leg, much more stable, which is good. Sits slightly higher, but not much. I like it already. It's interesting if it's gonna make any difference. Two more to go. Let's see if it's gonna make any difference now. Yes, of course it made difference. I don't know if you can hear that or not. Obviously the wind is blowing to the mic, but interesting. Let me know if you can hear any difference, but for sure I can. This is the annoying buzz of the wood and all the structure make this additional noise that you don't really want. I don't feel any vibration now. Yeah, it's good, I'm happy. So I think, you know, when you're installing this inside the wall, even if you put it onto the wall, the wall will become like a speaker and will produce the noise even inside your house if you've got on the brackets. But if you use brackets and then you use this sort of feet, the feet will not allow the brackets for the vibration to go forward. Yeah, really good. So I think it's too much money, 47 euros for something like this, but it's worth it. So I'm happy and I do recommend it. It's a great improvement if you want to reduce the noise from your aircon. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to like it or subscribe and let me know down below the comments. Ciao.